Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the grand finale of Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's first-time finalists Great Start Academy from St. Elizabeth up against defending champion Creative Kids Learning Academy from St. Andrew. And the action begins right now. Ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the teams for tonight's final.
Get ready for an epic showdown as last year's champions Creative Kids Learning Academy from St. Andrew face off against the formidable Great Start Academy from St. Elizabeth in the grand finale of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Let's meet the brilliant minds who will be battling for the coveted title. From Creative Kids Learning Academy, we have Pratham Rishwant, the math whiz who loves to challenge his mind with chess puzzles and devour fascinating books. Ethan Cherian, the science maestro who's always eager to conduct experiments and explore the wonders of the natural world through books. Chris Sarai Martin, the English language expert who captivates audiences with her graceful dance moves and loves getting lost in the pages of a good book. And David Dunkley, the social studies wonder kid who's passionate about football and always eager to expand his knowledge through reading. And from Great Start Academy, we have Timarkez MacDonald, the math genius who dreams of becoming a mechanical engineer. Kyle Powell, the science enthusiast who aspires to be an anthropologist or biologist. Brianne Morgan, the talented one in English language, who envisions herself as a neurosurgeon. And Kaylee Edwards, exceptional in social studies and who dreams of becoming a nurse. Ladies and gentlemen, the final match of the 2023 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz begins now.
So the teams are ready. Our judges for tonight's match are Dr. Margaret Bailey and Ms. Molly Russell. Earlier, we had the toss and Creative Kids Learning Academy won and decided to send Great Start Academy first. So we will begin with Great Start Academy. Now in Section 1, this section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. And we begin with Great Start, Bible Knowledge. Arrange these books in the order they appear in the Bible. Philemon, Hebrews, Titus.
Titus, Philemon, Hebrews.
Correct. Creative Kids, Bible Knowledge, arrange these books in the order they appear in the Bible. Amos, Obadiah, Joel.
Joel, Amos, Obadiah. Joel, Amos, Obadiah.
Correct. Local Affairs, a visual question. Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Okay, let's go. Earl Jarrett.
Earl Jarrett.
Incorrect. Richard Thompson, Acting Director General of the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM. Creative Kids, Local Affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Patrick Hilton. Patrick Hilton.
Incorrect. Stephen Shaw, Communications Manager, National Works Agency. Great Start, Science. What connects the middle ear to the back of the throat in humans?
Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube.
Correct. Creative Kids, Science. What is the name for the membrane-covered opening between the middle and inner ear in humans?
Oval window. Oval window.
Correct. Great Start. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this actor who played the role of Agent 007 in Bond movies.
007, okay.
George Clooney. George Clooney.
Incorrect. Pierce Brosnan. Creative Kids, Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this actor who played the role of Agent 007 in Bond movies.
Harrison Ford. Harrison Ford.
Incorrect. Timothy Dalton. Great Start, English language. By using the word apples, give an idiom which means comparing two things which cannot be compared.
To compare apples to oranges. To compare apples to oranges.
Correct. Creative Kids, English language by using the word taste. Give an idiom which means to be treated in the same way you have treated others.
To have a taste of one's own medicine. To have a taste of one's own medicine.
Judges? And we'll accept. Great start. Music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish.
Correct. Creative Kids, music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Olivia Rodrigo. Olivia Rodrigo.
Correct. Great start. General knowledge. What is the name for the study of insects?
Entomology. Entomology.
Correct. Creative Kids, general knowledge. What is the name for the study of diseases?
Epidemiology. Epidemiology.
Incorrect. Pathology. Great start. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
I guess something. Wait.
Michael Holding. Michael Holding.
Incorrect. Vassal Reynolds, coach of the Manning Cup team for Kingston College. Sports, Creative Kids, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Rudolph Speed. Rudolph Speed.
Correct. Technical director, Cavalier Football Club. Social studies, great start. What is another name for lines of latitude?
Parallels of latitude. Parallels of latitude.
That's correct. Creative Kids, social studies. What word refers to a town, city, or district or its governing body?
Municipal corporation. Municipal corporation.
Judges? Incorrect. We're looking for municipal. Great start. Mathematics. What is the product of 4.7 and 3.8?
8.76.
Incorrect. 17.86. Creative Kids, mathematics. What is the product of 3.9 and 4.2?
16.38.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs, and we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 6 and Great Start Academy also on 6, so it's a tie. Now, when we come back, it will be time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. But before the break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. It's never too early to start your saving, budgeting, and money management skills. Don't spend more than you have to, and remember to put up something for a rainy day. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. The grand final of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.